just need a moment. Just give me a moment. It's like a nice warm hug. Oh, world's not at its best right now. I was trying to think, what's the warm hug of foods? Chocolate chip cookies. They're just great. Chocolate chip cookies are great. No matter what mood you're in, it's pretty hard to stay in a bummer mood when you're eating a chocolate chip cookie. Willet pan, cookie dough. I'm gonna cover the pan, but it's important to keep this like lowish heat. This is what happens when you don't do lowish heat. Or burnt. All right, I think it's time to flip. These are gonna be very delicate, so go slowly, but the non-stick is gonna help you out. Put it back on. Ooh, that's looking good to me. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, they're just sliding out. Ooh, 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 ooh. We gotta let these cool, but I don't really want to wait. Come on, be ready faster. I think this might have cooked better than if I did in the oven. Wonderful, crisp bottom, crisp top, gooey center. It's a very good cookie. I think I'm only gonna make them in pans from now on. Everything can be done in a pan. Cookie, willet pan, yes.